Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be solving number 5 on LeetCode, the longest palindromic substring in C++. We'll explore an efficient C++ solution to find the longest palindromic substring in a given input string. This approach employs a clever expansion technique around each character, checking for palindromes centered at that character. Now before we take a look at the code and break it down step by step, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so in this C++ solution, let's go ahead and get rid of that. We have a class called solution that's already given that contains a class level variable and to store the longest palindromic substring found. We begin by defining a helper function called expand, which will be used to find palindromes around a center characterized by left and right indices. Inside the expand function, we use a while loop to expand outwards from the center left and right until we reach the edges of the string or find a non-palindromic character. If a palindrome is found, we compare its length with the current maximum length stored in ants. If it's longer, we update the answer function or the answer variable to store the new longest palindromic substring. Now let's dive into the main function. Let's just zoom out a bit. Alright, so in longest palindrome, which is the main function, we iterate through each character of the input string s. For each character, we call the expand function twice, once for odd length palindromes centered at the character I, and once for the even length palindrome centered between I and I plus 1. After exploring all possible centers and expansions, we return the longest palindromic substring stored in answer. Alright, so yep, let's go ahead and run that now. Right, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, subscribe for more, comment if you have any questions, and we'll catch you in the next one.